Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking about the Hyundai Kona Electric, one of the most affordable electric SUV in the US. Its compact, stylish, give you a solid range with modern features. Let's break down step by step. The Kona Electric has a bold futuristic look at the front. It has slim LED headlights, daytime running lights, and a closed grille that make it stand out as an EV. The bumper design is smooth and the charging port is neatly placed at the front of easy access. From the side you get 17 to 19 inches alloy wheels and an aerodynamic profile that reduces drag. It also offers roof rails on higher trims, making it more practical for road trips. At the back, sharp LED tail lamps and a sporty spoiler complete the design. And talk about Kona Electric dimension, length up to 435.5 cm, width up to 182.5 cm, height up to 157.5 cm, wheelbase up to 266 cm, ground clearance up to 17 cm. It's compact enough for city driving but still feels like a proper SUV. Step inside and the Kona Electric feels modern and practical. The first thing you notice is the space. For a compact SUV. It managed to give good room for both front and rear passengers. Front legroom 106 cm, rear legroom 92.5 cm, front headroom 101.5 cm, rear headroom 97 cm. Cargo space 722 liters with the rear seats up and up to 1835 liters when folded down. Now talking about features, the dashboard comes with a clean floating design and modern layout. You get a 20.3 inches touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a 20.3 inches digital instrument cluster. Higher trims even add a premium Bose sound system for an immersive audio experience. The cabin also comes with dual zone climate control, rear AC vents, and strong insulation, making the ride quick and comfortable. The Kona Electric comes with two battery choice, 48.6 kilowatt about 210 miles of range, 68.8 kilowatt up to 261 miles of EP estimated range, performance up to 201 horsepower and 108 IBFT of torque, front wheel drive with instant acceleration. Charging level to home charging takes several hours. DC fast charging takes 10% to 80% in about 43 minutes. Hyundai has packed the Kona with advanced safety tech, automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, driver attention warning. Higher trims also add adaptive cruise control, highway driving assist, parking sensor with a rear camera. On top of that, you get multiple airbags, stability control, and Hyundai 10 years, 100,000 miles warranty of the EV battery. Pricing start around $34,417 for the AC trim and gets about $42,000 for the fully loaded limited. For the money you get a solid driving range, modern design, practical interior, advanced safety feature, one of the best EV warranty in the industry. Now, if you are thinking about getting a compact and efficient EV, you might also want to check out the BYD Dolphin. It comes with an impressive battery range and advanced features that are making a lot of waves in the EV market. I already made a fully review on the BYD Dolphin and you can find the link in the description below. It is worth a watch if you want to know more about the latest EV tech. Also, if you are looking for the more options, I created a video on the top 5 affordable EVs in 2025. The link in the description as well. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest EVs review.